Good morning. Ready for the tasks for today? There are not too many actually. I would like you use Mathletics because I've assigned a kind of test there for you. Let's say it's our weekly math test. So if you log in to your Mathletics account, you will find the task assigned to you. Okay? There might be some questions which are a bit complicated for you. Don't worry, just try to solve them. Okay? I would like to also pre-assess the thing that we are going to start next week. And for the volunteers, there are two Kahoot games about the lines of symmetry. So as usually, the game pin is and the link is in our plan, so you can use them. If it's about the English, I would like you to take the fossils that you were supposed to do for today. So choose one, have a look at it, and then let your imagination work. So try to imagine what's the story behind your fossil. So in your diary, complete the sentence like, when I started digging, I never thought I would find, and then you have a look at your fossil and you complete the story. I would like you to write something more than one sentence or a word, okay? Because I'm going to assess that piece of writing. So I will check your spelling mistakes, capitalization, punctuation, and the vocabulary you use. So you may check it before sending the photo to me, okay? You, not your parents, you. And then the unit of inquiry, call. We continue talking about the call. So we are going to have the online lesson with the cookie, which is needed, and there is a one worksheet on Google Drive. If you have a possibility, you may print it out. If not, don't worry, just take your unit of inquiry notebook with you, because there is not much to write. It's more about drawing, okay? So take your cookie, toothpick, and pencil case for our online lesson. For the volunteers, a virtual trip to coal mine in Poland, actually. So you may have a look how it looks. Okay, what it looks like. You can have a look. You can walk around the coal mine. And one more task, if you want reading or if you want to listen to it. What is strange? So for the volunteers, the task for you. See you at 10:30 with the cookies, toothpick, pencil case, and a notebook, the inquiry notebook, or the printed version. See ya.